Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can insert an image in Google Doc. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go and open your Google Doc and let's say I want to add an image here. Click on like that. Then go to this icon. As you can see, insert image. This icon, remember it. Click on it. Then you can upload it from your computer or you can search it for it on the web. You can upload it from Google Drive or from Photos, Google Photos on or by URL, or you can take a photo camera. So let's say upload from computer. And let's say this one, just for example. As you can see, you can make it smaller if you want. Just click on it, click on image option, and go to size and rotation. Then you can change the size of it from here, the width and the height, as you can see. Also, you can play just like this and this. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.